Good day everyone. In this video today, I will show you how to make a TikTok video from private to public. So to do this, what you have to do, open your TikTok app. So when done with that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do, just to click on three dash icon at the top right of the screen. So when done, click on settings and privacy to continue. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do, you just to scroll down to where we have Activity Center to continue. Then scroll down, as you can see, you see Manage Post Visibility. So click on it to continue. So when the next thing for you to do, you just to click on Only You right here to continue. So when you click on Only You, any video which you see right here are the video which are on private. So to make this video public, what you have to do, you just to click on the cycle icon right there in front of it, then click on next to continue. So when done, click on everyone. So when okay, then click on updates to continue. So right as you can see, it's not on only you anymore. If you come to everyone, you see the video right there. So that's all to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.